We're back with another knife review. Today it is the Wee knife, and I don't know how it's pronounced. Maybe Eterna, something like that. This is it right here. We'll flip it over and show it to you. As you can tell, this is a new Wee design. We'll go ahead and give you the specs. And this is also a Etern design. It is 7.6 inches overall. 3.28 is the blade length. 59 to 61 on the Rockwell scale. The blade thickness is 0.13. It's Bowler M390. It has a bead blasted, polished finish, flat grind. The handle is 4.3 inches. It is a titanium 6AL4V with a carbon fiber inlay. Titanium pocket clip. It has what they're calling a vertebral integral handle because of the lock there that is basically, if you can see, is a liner lock with a large like frame lock head. It is a flipper. Has a flipper tab. Has a very ergonomic handle. Fits your hand pretty good for its size. It has a ceramic ball bearing for its pivot system. All the screws, clips, pivot cap, everything on it is titanium. The handle is about just a little bit over 5, maybe half of an inch wide. And of course I call it a frame lock. It weighs 2.86 ounces. But most importantly is we're interested in how this knife cuts. At least I am. I do like on this knife, since it's a little smaller, normally you have to put your fingers on the outside of the clip. They have moved the clip over and gave it a bend so that your fingers fit there when you're trying to open it. I like that, especially if you have larger hands. It makes knives under 8 inches harder to open. Of course, it comes with the Wee carry case. We have some paracord here. There's no doubt in my mind that this knife is going to cut easily, quickly, and precisely. Grab a piece of cardboard here and show you how this knife cuts. We'll start here on the tip. So not even pressing hard, and you can tell it cuts. Makes a little accordion. Pretty nice there. If you give it a little bit of push. Of course, I'm the type that likes to get my finger right on the top. Don't know why, but always have. And when it comes to spear cutting, not bad. It doesn't have, I mean, it has a tip on it right here with that little reverse Tonto type Warncliffe style blade. Cuts nicely. Alright, let's go ahead and slide it out of the way. So this is the Wee knife. We'll go with Eterna. We don't know what that A on the front of it, or piece of an A. Eterna. is. For those of you that are watching on YouTube, make sure you subscribe to our channel. We would greatly appreciate it, and you would also benefit from tons of knife content, especially if you're a knife fanatic. If you're viewing this on Instagram, like our post and follow Atlantic Knife. We do weekly giveaways. We actually do them on all of our sites, on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, sometimes even on our page for our blog. On that note, I am C with Atlantic Knife, signing off.